Welcome to the world of Volvo, a name that has become synonymous with safety, innovation, and reliability. Volvo isn't just a car manufacturer, it's a brand that has reshaped how we think about driving. From its humble beginnings to its cutting-edge technologies today, Volvo has always put people first, creating cars designed not just to transport, but to protect and inspire confidence on every journey. Volvo was founded in 1927 in Gothenburg, Sweden, by Assar Gabrielsson and Gustav Larsson. Their vision was simple yet ambitious, to build cars strong enough to handle Sweden's harsh winters and rugged roads. The first car they produced, the UV4, affectionately known as Jakob, marked the start of a legacy that has grown into one of the most respected names in automotive history. The name Volvo, derived from the Latin word meaning I roll, perfectly captures the spirit of a brand dedicated to creating vehicles that keep moving forward, no matter the challenge. Safety isn't just a priority for Volvo, it's the company's core identity. In 1959, Volvo forever changed the automotive world by introducing the three-point seatbelt, invented by their engineer Niels Bohlin. This seemingly simple innovation became one of the most important safety advancements in history. But what truly sets Volvo apart is that they chose not to patent the invention, instead sharing it freely to save lives worldwide. Volvo didn't stop there. In 1972, they introduced the rear-facing child seat, designed to protect the youngest passengers during collisions. This innovation was inspired by how astronauts are seated during space launches to withstand intense forces. Another milestone was the development of the Side Impact Protection System, SIPS, in '91, designed to redirect and absorb collision forces, significantly reducing injuries during side impacts. Volvo takes safety testing to an entirely new level. Their crash test facility in Gothenburg is among the most advanced in the world, where they have conducted over 100,000 crash tests to date. One of their most dramatic tests involves launching cars off a crane from a height of 30 meters. This simulates the worst-case scenarios of severe accidents, allowing rescue services to practice extracting passengers from extremely damaged vehicles. In another test, Volvo sends cars into a controlled roll at high speeds to analyze the effectiveness of their rollover protection systems. These simulations help ensure that roof structures and airbags work seamlessly to minimize injuries. Even wildlife collisions are considered. In regions where large animals like moose are common, Volvo engineers test how their vehicles respond to such impacts, ensuring the safety of passengers even in these unpredictable scenarios. Volvo isn't just focused on protecting passengers, they're also committed to protecting the planet. By 2030, Volvo plans to become a fully electric car company, phasing out traditional combustion engines. Their first step toward this ambitious goal was the launch of the Volvo XC40 Recharge, a stylish and sustainable electric SUV. But Volvo's environmental efforts go beyond cars. Their factories are transitioning to renewable energy, and they're incorporating recycled materials into their production process. Inside the vehicles, advanced air filtration systems provide cleaner, healthier air for passengers, an essential feature for urban environments. Volvo cars are engineered to last, with models like the Volvo 240 becoming cultural icons for their unmatched durability. Some Volvo 240s have been driven for over 1 million miles. The brand doesn't just make cars. Volvo Trucks and Volvo Construction Equipment are leaders in their fields, creating everything from heavy-duty trucks to industrial machinery. Volvo's commitment to safety inspired the creation of Life Paint, a reflective spray for cyclists and pedestrians, making them more visible to drivers at night. Today, Volvo's newest models, like the EX90, combine cutting-edge technology, luxury, and a focus on sustainability. Features like Pilot Assist and IntelliSafe make driving not just safer but smarter, blending semi-autonomous capabilities with traditional driver control. From their first car in 1927 to their groundbreaking innovations in safety and sustainability, Volvo has remained steadfast in its mission to create cars that put people and the planet first. So, what does Volvo mean to you? Share your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring stories about the brands shaping our world. Volvo isn't just about cars, it's about the future of safe and sustainable driving.